So some of the best fitness tips I can give you for getting a sexy butt is to just always remember to, with whatever exercise you're doing, a squat, a lunge, to make sure that you keep the weight loaded in your heels. So always make sure you press those hips all the way back. As you squat down and up, you're keeping the weight in your heels, really targeting that butt. The best exercises are obviously just simple squat, lunge, any of those basic exercises that you can always build on. So you can start off with a squat, then you can add weights with your squat, or you can add a squat jump, adding a jump to your squat, adding a little cardio aspect to your squat. Anything else you can always, you're starting off with those basics, the squats, the lunges, you can always build on them. That's what the best thing about those, foundational exercises are. So a great way to really get into those glute muscles is to switch it up and create a routine out of those exercises. So I teach a lot of booty classes, and a lot of the fundamentals of those classes are just switching up the exercises. So starting off with that basic squat, adding on to that squat with a knee raise, and then moving on to a lunge, just isolating that glute as much as possible, creating a sequence of exercises. That's going to be the best way to target the glute. I would suggest doing the classes that I teach for booty blast classes, is what I call it, are usually 40 to 45 minutes of all glute focus exercises. So you can create your own routine from any kind of exercise, any kind of squat, lunge exercises. Just put it together, do it for about 30 minutes a day, and that's really gonna help you get that sexy butt. In terms of eating tips, I wouldn't say there's really anything specifically to eat in order to get a sexy butt. Just eating a healthy diet. Most people tend to think that if you just eat a lot, cookies, ice cream, that is gonna fatten your butt up. It might fatten your butt up, but it's not gonna be a pretty fat butt. It's gonna be a little mushy. So you wanna make sure that you're still eating healthy and you're still doing these exercises. And those are some tips I can give you for helping you shape your sexy butt.